Hello and welcome. If you're not sure how to log into your Paperless Pay account of Walmart, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Paperless Pay Walmart account. In order to do so, just open your favorite browser and on the address bar, you need to type paperlesspay.talx.com. Once you press enter, you will have a screen something like this. In here, on the employer code, you need to enter your employer code and click on login. And once you follow the prompts, you will have successfully logged in to your Paperless Pay account. You can then have access to all your payroll related information. Now you know how to log into your Paperless Pay Walmart account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.